Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get Royal Bank of Canada void check. So what you'll need to do is basically log into your account, and on the top of your screen go to the My Accounts tab. After that you will need to select Profile and Account Settings, as you can see right here. Then you will need to click on Account Management on the left side. Then you will scroll a bit and see checks. There will be void checks and order checks. So click on the void checks because you need basically void check, and select account you want to print void check. So you will need to select your account, so from which one you want to print a void check. Then you will need to confirm it and click next. Then you will need to basically click print and save to PDF. Click save, and that's it. That's how you get your void check on RBC bank account. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.